and welcome to the Moj Maths and Science. Very quickly, we'll be looking at standard form. Previously, we've actually looked at indices, laws of indices. Let us also look at standard form. We know that standard forms are basically used to express very large number or very small numbers. So if you have 1,000,000, 1,000,000,000,000, 1 zillion, continuously like that, you can express them easily in standard form or indices notation. So standard form basically is being written thus. Your standard form is basically expressed like this, where your A is for number that is than, 1 is less than or equals to or less than or equals to 9, between 1 and 9. So let's quickly look at simple examples. If you have this number, how do we express it in standard form? Remember that this is your standard form notation. So you must ensure that this number must comply with this particular one. So how do we say? We look at this number. I like to use the decimal place. So always know that when you have a number like this, the decimal number lies at the end of the figure. So the best way to do is to move the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we move the decimal places 7 times to give us 3.5. What do we do? Times 10 raised to the power of 7. It's actually a plus 7. What if we have a very small number, decimal number in this form? Okay, let me make it smaller. 127. How do we write the standard form? We move this decimal place now to the right. And once you are moving the decimal place to the right, we know that we are moving in the negative integer. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we look for the first number. And so we bring this to 1.27 times 10 raised to the power of minus 6. In that way, we can express our standard, any number in standard form, either for large numbers or small numbers, by using the simple decimal place movement. When you have whole numbers, you move them all to the left, and then you know that it's the plus integer that we are going to be looking at. But when we have very small numbers with decimal point, we move our decimal place to the right, then we know that our integer is actually negative.